Hi there, this is Tracy Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group, and welcome to our new listing at 14 Haverson. Let's go inside and take a look. This foyer is a handy place to hang your coat and leave your shoes when you first walk in the door. This stylish kitchen features the hardwood floors and pot lights which continue throughout the main floor. It also has quartz countertops and a quartz backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and an oversized sink. The main floor also has a 3-piece bathroom, as well as a den. This den could also be your third bedroom. We've got a cozy family room back here, which walks out to a new cedar deck, perfect for entertaining. The second floor is comprised of 2 large bedrooms, with hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, and built-in closets. Also on the second floor, we have a decadent 5-piece bathroom. And we also have laundry up here on the second floor, so no trips to the basement. One of the great features of this property is the 1-bedroom income generating suite. You could potentially get between $1,200 and $1,500 a month for this apartment. And that would carry between $250,000 and $315,000 of your mortgage. Thank you for joining us on our tour of 14 Haverson. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us or join us at one of our open houses this weekend.